Hello, first grade friends. It's Mrs. Saylor. Are you ready to take an adventure in reading? All aboard! Hi, boys and girls. Today, we are going to explore a new comprehension strategy. Comprehension strategies are what good readers do to help them understand the story. Today, we are going to talk about story structure. Story structure is the way that a story is set up. When we are reading fiction stories, which are make-believe, we can think about the story structure. The parts are the characters, the setting, and the plot. Let's take a closer look at the parts that make up story structure. First, we have the characters. You can ask yourself, who is in the story? The characters are the people and the animals. Next, we have the setting. The setting is where the story takes place. So it's the place where you find your characters. Finally, we have the plot. You can ask yourself, what happens in the story? You can also think about the plot by thinking about what happens in the beginning, the middle, and the end of a story. Let's think about our story this week. Gus takes the train. There are several characters in our story. That's who is in the book. We have Gus, who is the main character. He's a cat. We have Peg, who is a little girl that Gus meets on the train. We also have the conductor of the train. The setting in our story is the train. We know Gus gets on that train and has quite the adventure. Finally, we can think about the plot for Gus Takes the Train. That's what happens in the beginning, the middle, and the end. In the beginning of our story, Gus is racing to get on that train. Thank goodness the conductor was there to help him. In the middle of the story, Gus meets Peg. They sit together for their train ride. At the end of the story, Gus and Peg arrive at the zoo for a fun day. So remember, boys and girls, story structure are the different parts of a story: characters, setting, and the plot.